Hello everyone, this is Vishwa. So in today's video we will see that how we can insert images into Microsoft Word document table. Okay, so for that first we will create a table. So here is the Microsoft Word page, and for creating a table we need to go to the insert. Second top side of the ribbon, the second option, insert. Click on this and insert, you will get option table. Click on this and select your table according to your requirement. So let's select the 2x2 table. So after selecting a table we need to increase the height. So for increasing the height of the table, you need to right click on this cross. Okay, left hand side you will get option this cross, right click on this and you will get option table properties. Okay, in last click on the table properties. In table properties you will get option table, row, column and cell. So we need to select the rows. Okay, the second option. In rows you need to check mark this one, specify height. Now select height according to your choice. Let's say 6 centimeter. Okay, now click OK. So when you will click OK, as you can see the height is increases. Let's give a name. If you wanted to give name, you can give name. Pick 1, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4. We have given the name. Now the time is to insert your image. So for inserting the image, again we will go to the top side of the ribbon, insert option, and here's your option picture. So when you will click on this, it will ask that which image you wanted to insert. So let's select the first image. Okay, and click insert. As you can see, here is the option insert. Click on this. So when you will click, the picture is here. Okay, but we need to adjust its width and height. Okay, so for adjusting a width and height, we will go to the format option, and the top side of the ribbon you will get option format. In format you will get option height and width. Now here you can adjust the height and width of the picture. So let's select the 3.16 okay height and 4.74 is the width. Okay, now let's see. Here is the picture. Don't worry, we will decorate the picture after inserting all the images. Okay, so now let's select the let's insert the second image. Okay, again go to the insert picture, our second picture, click insert, adjust the height 3.16, 4.74. okay, now third picture, again go to the insert picture, our third picture, click insert, again adjust the height 3.16 and 4.74. okay, now last picture, click insert, again picture, again last picture, click, again adjust the height, again go to the format and adjust the height 3.16 and 4.74. okay, now as you can see that all picture is inserted here. So one by one let's decorate this. For that first so you need to select the picture and then go to the format option. Here is the option format. In format you will get multiple frames, so you can select the frame according to your choice. Let's select this one. Okay, the first frame and second picture, third and fourth. Okay, all frames are selected, and now let's decorate the border. Okay, so how we will decorate the border? Again you need to click this one, the cross sign, right click, and here is the option called border and shading. So when you will click border and shading, it will give you three options: border, page border and shading. Okay, border, page border and shading. So you need to select the border, and here you need to select the all, which is covering your all boxes, as you can see. Okay, select this one and you can select your line according to your requirement. So let's decide this one. Okay, now click OK and you will see that beautiful border is around your picture. Here is the border. So how it's looking. Okay, so this is how you can insert images into Microsoft Word.